Fergana, the administrative headquarters of the Fergana Valley, is one of Uzbekistan's greatest and most peaceful cities. Unlike the ancient Silk Road cities of Samarkand and Bukhara, Fergana is admired for its spacious avenues, orderly layout, and abundance of parks and trees. Established in the late 19th century, the city has broad boulevards shaded by towering plane trees, colorful flower beds, and quiet residential neighborhoods that creates a refreshing atmosphere throughout the year. The city serves as the gateway to one of Central Asia's richest agricultural regions. Surrounding Fergana, there are vast fields of cotton and wheat, along with orchards of apricots, peaches, cherries, apple, and vineyards. During spring, flowering trees cover the countryside and colorful blossoms, while autumn falls remarkably throughout the city. It is a very interesting, very fascinating city to visit. Fergana is blessed with rich soil, and also there are some specific nutrients which are found specifically only in the soil, which generate world class fruits. As autumn arrives, pomegranates ripen across the valley. Their thick red skins protect hundreds of jewel like seeds filled with sweet, ruby colored juice. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, they are both delicious and nutritious. The valley's apples are known for their crisp texture, refreshing juice, and fragrant aroma. Green, yellow, and bright red varieties are widely available, which offer a unique flavor ranging from mildly sweet to richly aromatic. Similarly, peaches are very tasty here. Fergana pears are soft, buttery, and filled with fragrant juices. Their natural sweetness makes them a favorite dessert fruit. On the other hand, the vineyards of Fergana Valley produce a wide variety of grapes, including green, golden, red, and dark purple varieties. These grapes are exceptionally sweet and are eaten fresh or dried naturally to produce high quality raisins with concentrated flavor. You will observe further different types of varieties which are derived from these basic types of seeds. Another category of the fruits that is very abundant here but rare at other places is the huge variety, highly tasty apricots. The valley produces apricots with a rich honey like sweetness and a soft succulent texture. Fresh apricots are enjoyed throughout the summer, while many are carefully dried under the sun. These dried apricots are prized for their intense sweetness and are exported to many countries. There are also some special varieties of tomatoes, chilies, peppers, which are grown while using the local techniques. These are very famous and highly delicious. These are considered to be the pure bio items which are very energetic and nutrient. Similarly, local spinach and many varieties of wheats which are used in order to make tea and which are mixed with the salad are very famous and highly delicious. These are specifically grown in Fergana. Though many varieties are now can be found at other places, but generally they have the origin here in Fergana. People are very fond of growing these types of delicious items at home, and they use them whenever they need, and generally it is considered to be a special prize for the family at the time of dinner or lunch. One can feel the aroma throughout the day and night at home. This is considered to be keeping the fresh a person. It is one of the city's greatest attractions is its peaceful environment. The streets are generally calm and orderly, making walking enjoyable both during the day and in the evening. The relaxed pace of life allows visitors to appreciate the architecture, gardens, gates, doors, windows, and everything that comes in the way while visiting any street. Walking through Fergana also provides opportunity to experience Uzbek hospitality. Shopkeepers greet customers warmly, neighbors stop to talk with one another, and children play happily in nearby parks. Bike riding and cycle riding is very common, and this is considered to be a fascinating activity among the children. Due to some narrow roads, still the traffic is managed very carefully. Children are very curious about the foreigners, and they are always happy to see them. Visitors often notice the welcoming smiles and courteous manners that contribute to the city's pliant character. Fergana is one of Uzbekistan's most pleasant cities for walking. Unlike many crowded urban cities, its streets are broad. Somewhere, if the streets are narrow, they are very well maintained. Wide sidewalks, landscaped medians, and neatly maintained gardens create a calm and inviting environment where both residents and visitors can enjoy leisurely strolls throughout the day. The city's main boulevards are bordered by towering plane trees, poplars, chestnuts, and ornamental shrubs that form green corridors across the city. During spring and summer, the dense canopy offers cool shade, while colorful flower beds brighten the streets with seasonal blooms. In autumn, golden and amber leaves create picturesque avenues that are especially beautiful for photography. These types of walkways are very comfortable, and you can approach any part of the city while walking on these ways. Fergana's pedestrian walkways are clean, spacious, and designed for comfortable walking. Decorative paving stones, well maintained benches, attractive lighting, and careful planted flower gardens encourage people to spend time outdoors. Families with children, students, elderly residents, and tourists all enjoy these peaceful public spaces throughout the day. Many of city's parks are linked by attractive walking pathways surrounded by lawns, flowering plants, and mature trees. These green corridors allow visitors to move easily between recreational areas while enjoying fresh air and the sounds of birds. The peaceful atmosphere makes these paths popular for morning walks, evening strolls, and light exercises. Throughout the year, Fergana's streets display changing natural beauty. Spring brings flowering trees and colorful blossoms. That is why every type of species is carefully grown and they are maintained that generates a world class beauty surrounding the roads, while summer fills parks with gardens with lush greenery. Autumn transforms the city with golden leaves, and even winter has its own quiet elegance when tree branches are lightly covered with frost. These types of walkways are very popular with the local people, and it is said that a walk during the daytime or in the evening provide you a wonderful relaxation environment. That is why families and neighbors, friends do come here just for stroll and refreshing themselves. The roads are very comfortable, peaceful, and traffic is nearly close to zero, and that is why it is said that Fergana offers a highly relaxing environment to the visitors. A very famous spot in the city is Fergana Daulat University or Fergana State University. It offers world class education to the local residents. This university is public sector university, so generally the students don't have to pay much for their desired programs. It is said that those who graduate from this university, they can easily find the job in the local market. So that is why there is a tough competition in order to earn a degree from this world class university. Exploring Fergana on foot reveals the city's unique combination of greenery, spacious boulevards, beautiful parks, colorful flower gardens, and vibrant community life. Every street offers a peaceful setting where nature, architecture, and everyday life blend harmoniously, making Fergana one of the most enjoyable cities in Uzbekistan for leisurely walks. As you continue walking, you discover the wonderful buildings, wonderful spots, especially the educational institutions universities and institutes are very popular here among the local, because it is considered that if you wish to change your life, it is the first thing and the most important thing, that is the education, and that is the university level education. So these universities offer wide variety of programs, and these programs are very popular not only among the local residents but also, let us ask something.
Dobre wieczór, diavushka pazalusta. Vi mazite skazat kag nazi vitsa eta mista.
Selam vermeyman.
Не понимает русский.
Я не знаю.
Я не знаю. Хорошо.
She told that basically I don't know clearly English and Russian, but I can communicate some words. And this is the front gate of Fergana State University, where one can see his or her future while earning the best degree, whatever he is interested. The city is home to not only the universities, but also it is home to museums, theaters, and cultural centers that celebrate the traditions of Fergana Valley. Nearby towns are renowned for their master craftsmanship. Let us ask about this place.
Один минут пожалуйста. Как называется это место?
Университет.
Университет?
Да.
Хорошо. Это место тоже университет.
Да, университет.
Большое спасибо.
This region is called as the university region. So it is very popular throughout the city. Now, if you need to cross the boulevards or the main roads, the best way, rather it is an elegant way to provide the people with underground passes. These are well lit, clean, calm, and highly secure. So you can easily cross the road without any sort of hustle. On special occasions, you can grab flowers and other gift items from these types of spots. As you exit on the other side, you find another face of the boulevard. It is a very comfortable, highly secure, and most elegant way to cross the road. Now, as you move along the boulevard, rather any boulevard, you discover the real life and the real beauty of Fergana. Wherever you go, you find a very calm, peaceful, clean, and comfortable environment surrounding you. It is said that Fergana is much more than the administrative headquarters of Fergana Valley. Its tree-lined boulevards, wonderful streets, outclass educational institutions, universities, beautiful parks, fertile surroundings, vibrant markets, rich cultural traditions, and welcoming people make it one of Uzbekistan's most attractive and memorable cities. Visitors live with lasting memories of its natural beauty, relaxed lifestyle, and genuine hospitality. Wherever you go, you always discover a wonderful lifestyle. As sunset approaches, Fergana becomes even more beautiful. Decorative lights brighten parks and pedestrian streets. Fountains glow with colorful illumination, and families enjoy leisurely walks in the cool evening air. Street performers and musicians often entertain visitors, adding to the city's lively yet peaceful atmosphere. One feels that one should continue.
Разумеете, девушка, 1 минут, пожалуйста. Как называется это место, это парк?
Я
No.
не знаю.
Не знаю. Не знаю, русский или места? А?
Арабия.
Arabic. Arabia. English? No? What is the name of this park?
Фергана.
Eh?
Фергана.
Fergana? Fergana Park? Хорошо. Спасибо. Да.
These girls told us that they don't know English. They know a little bit English and comparatively a better Russian language. Basically, they know only Arabic language. They were very curious, very welcoming, and they provided a lot of information regarding the city, its bazaars, streets. So it is highly recommended that if you do visit this place, always talk to the people, seek the advice, and have a company with them. The people are very welcoming and very happy to see you here. People enjoy the company of friends, neighbors, and relatives when they are interested in shopping. The edible items are purchased for a week from the bazaars, and it is not only a purchasing event but also an event to meet the local people and have a visit to the neighbors and have a nice company with them. The bazaars are held regularly. It is said that these bazaars are not only cheaper but also they provide the fresh product from the fields. It makes sense that fresh products here are cheaper because they are not stored anywhere, rather they are directly transported from the agricultural fields to the market. Fergana offers a wonderful market that showcase the prosperity of the region. Stalls overflow with fresh fruits, vegetables, fragrant spices, nuts, dry fruits, and handmade crafts. These breads or the naans are very famous and these are freshly baked. People prefer to purchase fresh items from the bazaar, and that is why there is a huge variety of such products that is cheaply available here. Next comes the grocery. Nearly every item at low cost is available in these types of bazaars. Fresh spices and every type of the item that is consumed on the daily basis is readily available. You can make the bargaining as well. These are the wonderful spots to meet the local people as well.
ಅದೇ
Now look at the
Interesting.
dry fruits, the wonderful almonds,
Russia.
huge variety of almonds.
दादा nee nav itsata
Anglia, Francia,
ya no ya is Pakistan na
Pakistan.
da da ya Pakistan da ne Ominia da ya Pakistan Mohammed Faiz Ominia vlogger это здесь كيف حالك شكرا الحمد لله
These girls know only Arabic language fluently.
Instagram.
no YouTube
YouTube.
the YouTube
They are very curious and very happy to see
ಅದೇ
the tourists here. They are very curious and very fond of collecting the information about the international community.
انجلش Хорошо.
أنا بقول أدم
да
بس إنجليزي
They told us that many people do here.
is surfer
بيوردن ما qilasizz
ya
na bu yerda nima qilasiz kuzatishga kelganmiz
da
Pokistondan baqa
Это-
kelgansiz piyoda baqa kelganmiz
Paradise Auto где-то
The local people are very happy to see the tourists here. They say that they don't have much information about the
YouTube?
international community.
It's your account
да это мой я не знаю почему это не работает
Pokistondan O'zbek
So friends, you have seen that how curious, passionate and sincere the people are here. They also wish to see the world, but they don't have much more information about the international community. That is why it is highly recommended that if you do come here, please discuss with the local people. They are very friendly and very welcoming people. In fact, they provided me very useful information about the city. You can find huge variety of fruits, spices and many other items which are homemade. Some fruits which is grown at homes is also brought to the market and it is considered to be as the pure bio fruit. You can also purchase the souvenirs and especially if you are going to stay for longer days here in Fergana, it is advisable to purchase the grocery from here and prepare your food at home or at your residence. While consulting the local people, you will enjoy a huge variety of dishes. It is said that the dishes becomes very tasty when you prepare the dishes while using the ingredients from this market, because this market always provides the fresh and very energetic spices and the other edible items. You can see how interesting this market is. Now, friends, come to Russian lesson 65. You know, we are discussing irregular verbs in Russian. Now, here comes two important, rather most important irregular verbs. One is iti and other is ikhat. Both are frequently used, so it is better to learn the conjugation of these verbs. So let's start from iti. One, ya edo. Two, te edush. Three, on ona edut. Four, me edum. Five, we edute. Six, ani idiot. Now you can clearly see that there is no pattern that can be followed. The just one way to learn these words of conjugations or the conjugation parts is to learn it by heart. So when you will make it practice over and over again, you will become quite familiar with the pattern. So now come to the other verb, that is ikhat. One, ya ye do. Two, te yiddish. Three, on ona yedit. Four, me yidim. Five, we yidite. Six, ani yidut. Now this is basically the pattern. You can see that in both of these verbs the ending is very close. The ending of the conjugated part resembles very much, but still there is a difference. For example, in the verb iti, the conjugated parts starts with the sound y, y. But on the other side, sorry, the conjugated part for the iti is e, e. But for the ikhad, it is y. So e and y is only the difference. Otherwise, the ending is nearly same. So keep learning these types of techniques and you will easily command the Russian language. But the thing is that you need to practice it more and more over, and in this way keep repeating the sentences, the words, the vocabulary, and try to make the short sentences or the phrases yourself. The best way is to pick the words or the lessons or the techniques from the previous lessons, and in this way it is not difficult to learn at all. So keep learning and keep enjoying.